Welcome to this group discussion. We have a wonderful group discussion is going to happen here today. The topic here is success in your life comes through hard work or luck. See, my dear friends, in this planet, millions and billions of people have lived and gone. What is success first? Is it just money? Is it just the property? What is success? Very important. Certain religions say that born in this planet is a curse. Taking the form of human being is a curse. Including Hinduism says. Am I so, sir? Am I so? Hinduism says. Salvation is the point. No more birth. This is what Hinduism is all about. No more birth. Islam, it also says like that. Birth is a curse. But born in this planet, we have certain levels of called so and so success and failures. So what is success? How do you get this success? Who fixes the level of success? So just plain, it's a society. Society is the people, individuals joined together to make society. In the society, society forms a rules and says, you are successful if you have education, if you have property, if you have a good partner, if you have good children, if you have the power, if you have the position, if you have the status, all those things it is fixed by the society. Is the society's earmarking what is success is success. And this success comes through hard work. The child is born, till her end she keeps fighting to attain all these things. Is this success? Does it come through your hard work, or just like that? Just like a lottery, you get it. So this is the topic here. So here, what is the point you want to take? Success through hard work? Success, it is something luck. The word success, it is something mystery. You cannot give a definite form. For what success for me, for Tata it is something different. For what success for me, it is success for a beggar is different. So here success, it comes through luck. This is what they want to take. And what's your name, madam?
Priya.
Priya will be the leader of this group. Success comes through luck. And here, Chaudhary, success comes through hard work. So he will be heading this side. So let us start the discussion. All the best.
Good morning, everyone. This is Neha, and today we are going to have a group discussion on success comes in your life through hard work or luck. I'm going for the support of success comes through luck, because the favorable events and unexpected things will be done sometimes through luck. Because all the time you can't say that hard work only gives you success and all. So and even you can't underestimate this luck, because a small drop makes an ocean. In the same way, a luck is like a drop in the ocean of success. Okay. Okay, then think if you have a tough goal and you need to reach that goal in your life. You have to give a lot of effort to achieve that. But if you want to achieve it, you have to do a lot of hard work for that. If you are reaching this goal with a small effort, then it is called luck. With a success require the combination of hard work and the luck also. Without a luck, you can't achieve everything. So this is my view. And what about you?
Well, friends, I'm not just supporting Neha. I have my own opinion and difference of points and all. You see, in the history of every nation, you will see that those individuals who believe and who worked hard have done wonderful things from the day of, say, from good olden days of, say, Lincoln or, say, Edison or anybody who really worked hard and they achieved their purpose. Today we are comfortable here because of the hard work of somebody. Today we have the wonderful light, the all sorts of necessities, all those things. Somebody has worked hard and they have produced all these things. They did not come by luck. Luck is only a part. When you work hard, sometimes you may get your luck. Luck, just by depending upon luck, you cannot get anything. Just by depending upon luck, you cannot have big thing. But by working hard, sometimes you may get luck. That is what my point is. So luck is only a part of life. It is not that you can totally depend upon luck. Then the life will go in vain. The life will go in vain. So I very much support my point that the hard work only pays it, nothing else. Now you can proceed.
Ingredients of success is time, work and everything, but luck it'll just come in some seconds. Even for exams, like people will be studying, they'll be doing hard work for the whole year, but the end of it, before exams, they'll just take best of luck. They won't tell best of your hard work. So everyone for something, everyone is depending on luck. Luck is the main thing for everything, because however they do hard work, in the final to achieve something, they need a luck. With luck only people can achieve it. So what you're telling for that?
Luck is accidental. Success is the reality. Luck comes when you work hard. Luck doesn't come by itself. So just by depending upon luck, you cannot pass the exam. What I mean to say, that you have to prepare yourself. You have to prepare yourself. A part of luck can play how sometimes some questions which you are the answer for some questions you may be already knowing, that's a luck. But that's a luck which suppose that.
Yeah, that is what we are trying to
No,
say.
what
Luck
I
is
say,
important. Luck is in everybody's. It's there in their birth itself.
Now what
They'll
is-
come out when they need.
No, what
and,
I say-
it's very important.
What I said that most of the questions he has prepared, and that is why because of his hard work and all, he could write. But one chapter he didn't prepare at all. Fortunately, he knew the answer for that. That was luck. Understand? Sometimes, some long time before, some time back, he has read all those things. The luck is only sometime comes in
Yeah,
life.
that is only we are trying to say. So you are agreeing with
No,
us.
no,
Luck
I'm not
is
agreeing.
important.
I'm not agreeing. Luck is only a part which sometimes play. It doesn't play all the time. So the hard work only, by means of hard work only, we achieve it. So luck is a fraction. It is not that it is going to boost up your whatever your project or whatever you do. For example, today if Ambani, his father Dhirubhai Ambani has given some money to this Mukesh and Anil Ambani. Okay. Now, that amount they are multiplied to several thousands of folds. Ambani has given 20 crores of rupees. Today they are having 2 lakhs crores of rupees today they had. They have multiplied. How do you think that is a luck? It is actually by mere perseverance and hard work. It is not by luck. So the money, that same money, had it not been used in the proper way, then Ambani would have not been known to the world. So both, they worked hard and they got the results. So you understand that, then the world will become people are all just people, useless people, and India would have become a very worst place in the world. So luck is, we should never depend upon the luck according to me. Luck is a curse according to me. Luck, if it comes, then okay, that's different. But we should not pay importance to luck. That is my point. Never pay importance to luck. Pay importance to your hard work only. I stress again and again. Now you can speak.
This is Aishwarya. I agree your point, sir. You know cinema actor Sivakarthikeyan and Santanam.
Yeah.
This
just
is a
because
one
of
of
his
the.
hard work he came up.
This
Just
is
because
one
of his hard work he came
Vijay
up.
TV,
How he
Vijay
came up?
TV program,
Yeah.
but
Because
still,
of Vijay TV program, he did his hard work. First of all, he was growing.
No,
by
no, so
step by step he
5
grew.
or 7 years is one of the TV
Yeah, just because
serial
hard
programmer,
work.
but still,
Yeah, first he was an entertainer.
He is
just
one of
an
the
mimicry
cinema-
man. Just he used to make stand-up comedies. After that, he got an anchor. He was an anchor in Vijay TV. After that, only because of his hard work, he was working hard to get into the cine field. So he got offers.
Yeah, that is what we are telling.
Just because
The
of
offers
talent.
is called
Just because
luck.
of talent. Because of talent. So many dads saw his
So
talent.
many people
so
are
he had the talent to
So
work hard.
many people are talented in
he
Vijay
had
TV
talent
as
to
a
work,
anchor and
work as an
everything.
hero. So just because of his luck. No, not
Yeah,
because
just
of
because
luck.
of luck,
but
he's
because
a-
of his hard work. Just because of his hard work. If he's sitting inside, if he's sitting in one place and he wanted, I have luck, I can easily do whatever I can.
To support this, Shivaji Ganeshan has become a great actor. Why only Shivaji Ganeshan? Hello, there are many No, please. No, whatever it may be. No, what world is gold? Do you know? Oh. What is? I'm talking about some points. I'm not talking something. Why Shivaji Ganeshan is still remembered? Because he had some extraordinary. You have to listen first of all. You should. No. Why you have to? She is not allowing me to speak. You should allow me because with his he has got histrionic talents. But that histrionic talents, he has used it and he has created some sort of a different roles than the other ordinary actors. That was the difference between Shivaji Ganeshan and other present actors and all. Why I am talking now, today also, we don't have an equivalent actor of Shivaji's cadre today also. So today's actors were nothing. No, Shivaji was not a luck. Why? Why I am telling you, Shivaji was an ordinary person. He was just running here and there. He was just even, he was dying for a square meal once upon a time. When in initial days, he was dying for a square meal. But he has shown his histrionic talents by his actions. So people accepted it. That is the reason. He has not come up just like that.
Sir, talent is in everyone, okay? And we need a luck to bring it out.
No, talent is everything.
Yeah, see, you itself told Shivaji Ganeshan is a normal man, right?
Hello.
No, when he got an opportunity,
Hello.
when he got a luck itself, he got opportunity to
So, with hard work,
become an actor.
with hard work, he has created a new position. With his hard work, he has created some sort of a tremendous, a tremendous change in the cine world.
Okay.
So he has changed a tremendous change in the cine world.
Okay, let me tell my point of view. When it comes to old movies, some heroines, first as we all already said, first luck and then hard work and everything. Okay, why means how means some heroines, those who have good look, they get chances in movies. But in the old movies, some heroines even they don't know even a single steps in dancing. They don't know to even dance, but they look too good, so they get a chances. Okay, but slowly step. Even now, recently some heroines, they don't know to dance, they don't know
But,
to act, but they look the way how.
But one thing you should understand.
But
that-
the look
one
brings
thing-
them the heroine chance,
But
and
one
slowly
thing-
step by step they are learning.
But one thing you should
Am I
understand.
right or wrong?
But one
Am I
thing.
right or wrong?
No, you are wrong.
Am I right?
No.
Slowly step by step they are
Oh, you
learning
are-
everything and they are getting a position.
One thing you should understand. You speak. Inga parma. Inga pare. No. But you have to listen to me, no? She start.
This is not fair. You should listen.
You should listen to me first of all. One thing is.
Listen, and some points are prepared.
What?
Sir,
Point? No,
listen,
we are also
listen,
there.
sir. நாங்க
Please.
listen பண்ணிட்டு some points prepare
Acha,
பண்ணிட்டு
madam.
sir.
Hello.
Listen பண்ணல sir.
Hello, madam. One thing you should understand. The film is a glamour world. In the glamour world, any sort of film industry is a glamour world. Film industry is a glamour world where any sort of glamour. See, a man may have a glamour on different aspects. That's all naturally it comes. He may be a good doctor or a good dancer or something else. So you said something. My answer is for that is that some other actors had some other different qualities. That everybody does not have the same qualities. Some may have a good physique, some may have a good action, some may have good dancing and all. So we have a different type of, but they're all hard work because of hard work. Today,
So, do you know about Rajinikanth? He was a just, contractor in a bus. Okay, with his luck itself, he got opportunity to come to actor.
Wow.
No, he got a luck first. Because of luck, he entered into a...
No. Hello.
Initially, see, when he came to the cine field, he was not too good in, no one knows whether he's a good actor.
Rajinikanth, hello, he has created new actions.
See,
Which will
only
film industry does
Only
not
because
have.
of his hard
He has
work,
created new actions.
he made his research in his styles.
Yeah.
So he bought up the styles in the cine world. Yeah,
Yes, styles and all.
allow us to speak, please.
Hello, you should know that when Balchandar selected
He is not
Rajinikanth,
allowing us to
you should know when Balchandar selected.
he slept in platform. He slept in platform also.
Balchandar, first man.
See, actually-
Balchandar was the first man to give a chance to Rajinikanth. When he entered the film, Rajinikanth was sitting in his own style.
Entering inside the cine field is
And-
luck. By luck only they are entering and then
Because
they
of
are
his
proving the
talents.
talent.
Just because of his
How can-
talents, he got into the
No,
cine field.
not at all.
Just because without
Only
talents,
through
no one can
networking.
shine. Without talents, no one can shine in the cine field. Okay? Without anything, without
First of all,
nothing,
lucky
they can't do anything.
Hello.
Okay.
Today, hello.
They have to attract. They will have something inside.
Hello.
Everyone will have. Everyone will have.
Hello. Today, American Institute has become so much famous because of hard work of one person. One person has done a different type of set of English and all. He has made the people to understand it. Understand? Mr. Manikaraj has not come up like that. Understand? There are thousands of
If you
people
see-
here, but Manikaraj has shown something that all people can learn, even a person. It was because of sheer
If
hard
you
work.
work hard,
His own hard
first
work.
of all,
Not
first
only
of all,
hard work,
listen,
he also had
listen.
some sort of
Excuse me,
luck.
listen,
So he-
listen.
so he-
Just a point. If you work hard, success and luck will come automatically. First, you have to work hard.
How many
Okay?
hardworking people are staying at homes? How many hardworking people are staying at homes without
Yeah,
because
they're
they don't
thinking,
have luck?
luck will come. They'll be sitting in a corner and they'll be thinking,
Although they are
luck
doing-
over, luck over.
although they
Like
are doing
if
their
you are
best
sitting
in
on
their
place
hard
and
work-
without any hard work, how will you
Although,
shine? How will you
okay,
come up?
they are doing their best in
okay.
the hard work, but still they are sitting at their homes because they don't have a sort of luck. They don't have luck.
No, they're not.
So they are-
Luck. You don't know where to use his talents. Okay, where you want to show his talents.
You are
he didn't
saying
get any platform.
hard work is
He
enough.
didn't get any
You said
platform.
the hard work
Just
is enough.
because hard work, he's sitting. He want to have research. He have to research in his field.
நம்ம எவ்வளவோ எக்ஸாம் எழுதுறோம் பட் நம்ம ஸ்டூடண்ட் என்ன சொல்றாங்க என் லக்குனால தான் நான் பாஸ் ஆனேன்
Yeah, all the
So,
best
அந்த
தான்
timeல
சொல்றாங்க.
எந்த
All the best
பிரச்சனை
தான்
வருது?
சொல்றாங்க. Best
அப்படி
தான்.
இருக்கிறது உங்களுக்கு என்ன
Today,
hard work வருது?
hello. Today we all survive because so many medicines are all we require whenever we become ill and all. All these medicines were invented by sheer hard work. No medicines has suddenly come. Today, in the present world, we can live for a long time because of medicines and all. Because in those days, they could not survive. Today, by hard work, many things have been invented. Those things were not there. So it is by sheer hard work only, many modern things have come. Not suddenly. Today in atomic energy or is a space technology, because of sheer hard work, India has become one of the 6 countries in space technology. You should know that. Why? Because of sheer hard work. Understand?
Sir,
You have to learn a lot, madam. You have to learn a lot.
wait, sir. Sir, in media, so many people are making up movies. They are doing hard work and they are making movies. But in few movies only with luck, it's going hit. And the actor is getting popular. So, and even fashion designers, so many people are making fashion shows and everything. They'll be doing hard work to make even each of one designs.
Hello.
But there should be a luck to, even for them to come out.
You are slipping out of your point. What you are talking is film. Many film now depends upon the story and all. Well, because if the story
Yes,
is
sir,
well,
it depends
so
upon
that
that.
film has flopped. That was different.
Yeah.
Hello.
See, many
the
hard
people
works are going
hello.
flop.
The director.
Many hard works are, most
hello.
of the hard work
Hello.
going flop only. Only few,
The director,
some normal movies will go hit.
The director, producer, actor, and all people have worked hard. But due to some, the film has not clicked. Why? Because maybe some false story. The people might have not accepted the story. It is not because luck is not the question. So
Some students, those who are getting a lot of marks in 12th standard, even those who are getting 95, 98 percentage, okay, they cannot. I have come across few students, those who don't get seat in, who didn't get MBBS seat in colleges because they have no money. Okay, if they have money, okay, they got good marks, but because of money they cannot go to colleges, they don't go to colleges, okay, so they are unlucky, if they if they have money, okay, they can enter into colleges, they can spend money for their fees, for everything, they can spend money and they can do their graduation, they can come out, but they are even one of my cousin, he is financially very weak, but he is very interested, he is a hard worker, he is he has he's very brilliant, talented, but because of money, because if he had money, because luck, because of some students, those are luck, those are financially very strong, they can get into any field, whether it is doing any degree or anything, they can do it, they can finish it, they can come out with success, but if they don't have money, they cannot do it. So there also I can think luck should be there. So if we are financially strong, we can get inside and we can achieve a target, we can come out with success. Okay, so is it right or wrong? Am I right or wrong?
No, that
In that point, what about my point of view? Is it right or wrong?
Right.
So he's too good, but money is the problem. So if his father would have got money, he would have got a chance he would have got a seat in a MBBS college and he would have become a doctor right now. So am I right or wrong?
You see, no, you are going out of the, you are slipping out of the point. So we are allow me to
So
speak.
what I mean is,
Hello,
It's not out of the
He's
point.
also dependent
Why?
upon
Because,
luck.
hello.
His future also depends upon luck.
Our topic
If
is,
someone support him, if somebody support him, he could have become a doctor or somebody. Okay, so because of due to lack of luck, he missed the chance.
so our topic is hard work or luck. Our topic is not that we have the finance and all. All these things, our topic is hard work or luck.
You told that if without luck only he can't get the seat. Okay, if you have worked hard means, okay, nowadays they are providing free seats, no? If you had worked hard and if you had got lot of
For that also
why you
they
got to
need
pay?
a luck
Nowadays government
to
is
get
giving
into that
scholarships,
class.
no, nowadays
She was not even capable of paying the fees. She was very poor, and she had problems. That's why I'm giving that point now.
that is their background.
That
Depends
much,
upon their background. But
she had I have come across
that
two.
is not like, okay, you told that so many
If
films
she would
are
have had a
so
luck,
many films
she
are
would have
flopped
got into
nowadays.
some rich family and she would have had a money to pay
Forget
for
about
it.
that. Now, yesterday India has a Champions Trophy. India won. It is because of hard work. Give a clap, yaar. What you are keeping? It is because of sheer hard work. Otherwise, today India is in the world map. By their hard work, they have proved that they can also achieve some
Hard
greatness.
work,
Understand?
it's not
It is-
that,
and the hard
one or
work-
two people are doing hard work. Everyone is doing hard
and
work.
all those people.
The people who have luck only is coming
because of hard
forward. They're
work.
getting opportunity.
Hello. We achieved this great success in England. We won in England. So it is not an easy job to win in England because we have win there and we won it. So it is an achievement by sheer hard work. Just by sheer hard work, not by luck at all. The England people were trying their level best to suppress Indians, but we did not succumb to that. We didn't succumb to that. Understand this. Talk. What are you going to tell about for this?
சார் நீங்க சொன்னீங்க ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணதுனால ஜெயிச்சாங்கன்னு. எல்லா இயரும் வந்து கிரிக்கெட் பிளேயர்ஸ் வந்து ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு தான் இருக்காங்க. பட் ஏதோ ஒரு இயர்ல தான் அவங்க சக்சஸ் பண்றாங்க. சோ அப்ப அந்த இடத்துல உங்களுக்கு லக்
சொல்ல முடியாது.
அவங்க வேர்ல்ட் கப்
சக்சஸஃபுல் பர்சனை பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க அவர்கிட்ட பேசிங்கன்னா அவர் லக்கால வந்தேன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டாரு. அவர் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்னால வந்த நான் கஷ்டப்பட்டனால தான் முன்னுக்கு வந்தேன்னு சொல்வாரு. அது மட்டும் நான் உட்கார்ந்திருந்தேன் வந்து நம்ம கதவு தட்ட நம்மளா தேடி போனோம். we have to go for it. We should not
லக்கால ஜெயிச்சே இவ்ளோ பண்ணு அப்படினா சொல்லுவாங்க. நோ.
Hello. So, today அவெல்லாம் நீ தமிழில் பேசினாலும் அப்போ தமிழில் பேசுகிறேன். அவெல்லாம் அது எல்லாரும் வந்து முன்னாடி ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கா. இப்போ ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் அப்போ அவளுக்கு லக்கு மாத்திரம் அதை பற்றி டிபெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு தானே இன்னைக்கு இந்த அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் கிடைச்சிருக்காது அவளுக்கு. ஸோ ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் எப்படி ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் கிடைக்காத லக்கு வந்து தானா வராது, தெரியுதா? லக்கு தானா வராது. லக் வில் கம் when you work hard. Luck will come when you work hard automatically.
See, no. When it comes
luck
to
will come when you work hard. Understand? So today, this is
See, when it comes to any match, any game, okay, I would like to say one point
Hello.
very clearly.
No, I told you.
Both the opponents, both are equally talented, but only luck. Most of the games I have so far have
So,
observed, only luck determines his fate, okay? Because both are equally talented. That's why they are coming to the competition.
Chumma kahi deta hai.
They are equally talented. Okay, if suppose even if you take a cricket match, both the teams are more or less equally talented. Only luck determines their fate, whether winning,
No.
winning, only their fate determines it. I can
Hello.
say it 99%, I am very confident about it.
No.
99%.
No,
No.
you're absolutely
See,
wrong.
last time
I
in
deny that.
T20 also.
It is not by
Last
luck.
time in T20,
I think,
India won by 1 point in just a luck.
No, that
It
was not a
like,
luck.
In one ball, they got one
Hello,
run.
to make that score,
177 or
to
something
make
like
that score, they worked out and got the score.
No, sir.
Understand?
No, sir. See, listen.
Whatever score they
Everyone
got
is
it,
working hard.
they worked out and they got it. Understand? And you should know that it was not an ordinary cup. Understand? That the girl was
Sir,
telling
cricket-
it was not an ordinary cup. It was a Champions Trophy. So that is a very important thing. It is recognized by the world. First of all, understand that is recognized by the world. And you are talking about ordinary matches. It is not ordinary match. It's a great match. Understand? So it is the world came to know. Hello. But because of that, the prestige of India has gone up. Understand? So these people are raised. The prestige of India today. India is standing. No. What? By your luck, who is great in India? Tell me. You tell me anybody is great just by luck. Can you tell anybody just by luck who has become great? Only one good example you give me. Anybody give me.
Whatever things,
I
only
give-
hard work is not
Just-
sufficient for a person to get success.
Hello.
Luck also equals in that.
By hard work, I said, I gave example of many great people who by luck anybody has come out.
Even when it comes to players, those who are getting a chance, national level, international, state level, those who are coming to, those who are becoming a part of a team, but only by luck, many have talent, but only few are getting chances. It is only by luck.
Yeah,
I can
there's
say.
lack of practice. They
chance-
can't show their talents.
So who is
Many are
that?
talented. Even when it comes to
Yeah,
silly
if they-
field,
if they keep
many
on
are
working
talented,
hard, they
many
can
are
really say-
beautiful, but
they are
they
keeping- they-
all don't get a chance.
Hello.
Only by luck
They
they are
should not
getting chance.
Who is getting the challenge? A man with proven ability is getting the challenge. Understand? A chance is given to a man with proven ability. So these are all the people, they are proved by their metal. They are proven.
First of all,
They did not come
Let
up.
me tell, sir. See, first of all, to prove a talent also, they need some stage to prove their talent. To get into that stage itself, they need luck. Because like 100 of people will be,
Hello.
there'll be, so many competitors will be there.
Hello.
Only a person who has luck only will win.
Hello,
sir.
for me, it's the selection committee is there.
Initially, luck
Hello,
is
I'm
the
taking-
primary thing which is very important for us. Secondly, we can prove a talent, but we can work hard,
you
we can
work
prove
hard,
it. Only
really,
luck
if you
is the
work hard,
basic thing.
luck will come automatically.
Okay,
I am
no.
telling this.
No.
That's what I told you.
If you work hard, only luck will come.
Luck will not come
Without
by
working
itself.
hard, luck
Without
won't come
working hard,
easily.
will not come.
Yes.
Hello. Sometimes you may get some 100 rupees on the way.
Yes.
That is anybody can get it. That's not luck. So that's not a big money that I got 100 rupees. Every day I will go and
We don't
search-
tell that
every
only
day-
hard work.
No.
It is a
One day,
person.
suppose one day I got 100 rupees on the road. So every day I'll just go and just see in the road. Amount
You
is
should not go
there,
and see there.
you
Money
think-
will be there.
That is
money will be
not-
there.
you can-
have to work.
No.
If you think
that is
about
not-
it, if you
You
allow
have
me
to
to...
think.
Well, luck
If you
is
get
not
100
a
rupees,
He said
if you
allow me to
Hello.
say.
if you get
Yeah.
100 rupees down, next day you have to make the 100 rupees as 101 rupees. You have to work hard. You should not spend it
So,
easily.
luck is-
100 rupees is
have to
also
think that
a luck.
how to- we have
If
to-
only we get 100 bucks, we can prove by having that 100 rupees, we can
Yeah.
make it 200 or 300, whatever it
Keeping
is.
that 100 rupees you are spending
Is it
easily.
wrong?
And
Luck
if-
is luck is
Luck is a very primary thing which is meant for, very basic thing which is the primary thing, and the rest of the things are...
Luck is momentary, hard work is permanent. Luck is a temporary leaf.
Yes.
It's a temporary thing, something just like a lottery. A lottery, sometimes you get it, but you cannot depend upon that. It is luck is something like that. Hard work is all the time it will pay, it will take care of your life, and you will
No,
understand.
what I try to mean is, once we are lucky,
Beg your pardon? So what you are talking is not the reality. You are talking, you are in the castles.
Luck is the basic
It
thing.
is all
Okay,
just
and by luck, okay, we can work it.
Hello,
We can
it
do
just
it.
can be depend how you
Do
can
anything.
speak like that. You cannot depend upon the luck. You have to work hard. First comes work hard, then if it luck comes, just accept it. It is not that first comes always
Sitting
the
and-
hard work.
Sitting
Always
and
the hard
sleeping
work.
and you are waiting for luck. Luck means how it will come. You are just sitting inside your home and just sleeping. I will be waiting for luck. Luck will come. Luck will come. So many are there like that. So many are. Hard work பண்ணுங்க பண்ணாதானங்க
See,
automatically வரும்.
when it
If you
comes
work
to
hard, automatically
see,
luck
for
is going to
example,
come. And
simple
you,
thing, I tell you,
Be an-
we'll take simple
Many
example.
simple-
You take one simple example.
No, the chief
See,
minister.
even when it comes to cinefield, some actors, Vijay, and some actors, they are born in film.
Yes.
I mean, filmmakers. They're parent of filmmakers, so they get a chances. And of course, later they prove their talent. I didn't mean it, but some actors, getting inside the field is very tough. Some, by luck they are getting inside, and so initial stage. What I want to say
Today,
is,
the chief minister of Tamil Nadu has given to many students who have done extraordinarily well in the exam. How because of their hard work they got it and they got some monetary benefits and all. All the students did not get it. Understand? Only the extraordinary people will get it.
first answer for this.
Yeah. Why she has given the monetary benefits to certain people who have done extraordinarily well? That is because of sheer hard work.
Sir,
They didn't get
so
it like
many
that.
people, they're just getting the chance by 0.9 percentage, 0.8
That is his card work. That is her card
No,
work.
no. Everyone is
What
doing hard work.
everyone?
That is their luck. They're coming in.
That is the
inside.
ability. How you got the ability?
Yeah.
Because of your hard work.
First of all, they need luck.
How will
Sir, everyone is equally studying. Everyone is equally putting their hard work.
But some
How you
people
got
who
the
got
marks?
talent,
But
they
you
overcome the
can't leave the
remaining
company.
person.
Because he worked hard and he got some extra marks. All the other people did not work hard, so something they wanted to pass.
Sir, if they didn't work hard, how they'll come in second place?
Hello, what?
Sir, they need a point. No, in point now,
they-
0.1% is doesn't matter. Everyone will be working hard. For point
The most of the people who passed, they just depend.
0.1% general, they doesn't
Hello.
need to work hard for some 100 years or not. So everyone will be working hard in the same level. The person who getting the luck, they'll come in a first
Most of the other students who passed is they depended upon luck and some questions they answered, so they got some marks, passing marks.
Sir, that is
The persons
that
who
is for the person who
attempted,
Sir.
they become.
Sir, let me answer for
And
that.
they got it. So the lucky people only got passing marks.
No, sir.
only
No,
hard
not
work.
like that. Not like that. Yeah, even to pass, even they'll be studying for the whole year. But if they have a luck only, they'll even pass. If they doesn't have luck, they'll fail and they'll study it again.
If they
So they need luck for come to first stage also to pass. Also for every stage, they need a luck to come out.
if they're not passing the exam, they are lacking in practicing and
see,
they're lacking in hard work.
See, American, many those who are living out of not in the city, many from a village, from the town, they don't get a chance to come into American coaching center to learn English. Okay, so if only those who are lucky, they can get inside. After that, they can hard work, they can learn it, and they can prove the talent. So initially, luck should be there to come inside. Okay,
Hello.
this is also a thing. Would you agree it completely?
So, Nasa,
no, I
If
don't-
only we are lucky, we can come here.
No,
because
it's not
I'm
the
a,
luck.
I'm a
It is-
person who
it
is
is-
from
It is not the
Bangalore.
luck. It is
Okay, if only those who are lucky
Hello.
can get inside.
It is the realization.
After that, we can
Hello.
hard work and we can
Please.
speak English.
It is the realization. Hello. Some people realize it. They want to become great and all. That is
How
why
do
they
you
come to
want-
Chennai. Hello. The people living in village and all, some people only realize, they understand that education is a very important thing. English is important and all. That is why they come to Chennai. The most of the people, they don't think, because they depend upon luck like you. That is why they remain just like you. That is why they got disappointed. Only some people who thought that education, English and
Even
all-
when it comes to international schools and when it comes to greatest colleges, only those who are financially strong, they can get inside. Okay, try to get my point. If they are financially strong, we can say they are lucky to get inside the colleges, and then after that they can learn everything step by step. They can hard work and they can get their first rank or second rank, whatever it is. get it and they can come out. So if they are unlucky, if they are financially weak, how can they get a chances?
See, finance is something which, finance is something that shows about his own personal income and all those things. You are talking about that. That has got nothing connection in this.
That is only luck, sir.
It is not the luck. Finance and all. Today, if I decide that I want 5 lakhs rupees per month, if I work hard, I can get it. Today I decide that I will earn 5 lakhs rupees per month, then I will make all preparation and I want. It is my wish. But you cannot make that money because you are depending upon luck. I want money and I will earn it. But you want money, you depend upon luck, so you won't get it. But I will get it.
I can say one more thing. A person who is very brilliant, okay, he can do a business, but he need money for investment, okay? But he has brain, he has brain, he has a plan, he has a target, he has everything. But he lacks money.
Our XCM
If he has money, that is what I can say. Luck. If he has money, okay, he can invest in that. He can start his business. He can achieve.
You told that
everything.
only wealthy people will get luck, okay? I'm telling that our ex-CM Karnanidhi, his father is a farmer. How he came? How is an CM now? Karnanidhi? How? Not because of luck. His hard work. His hard work. He was just. If you see, he was in a hut only. Yeah, just because of hard work, he came to Chennai. He struggled a lot, and now today he's an CM.
One thing I'm sure that Karnanidhi once upon a time was a penniless. I have seen him when he was a young man. I was in Mumbai. I heard his speech and all. He was nothing once upon a time. He's a very ordinary person, but he made all these assets and all this money and all those things and all. And he became the chief minister several times in Tamil Nadu. It's not by just luck. It is by something extraordinary. That is hard work. Understand, madam? So luck is not all the time paying. Luck is sometimes, also in a blue moon, it may help you. But you have to depend upon.
hard work எல்லாருமே லக்க தான் நம்புறாங்க.
Hello.
For example, one example.
If doctor is not doing anything and if he is believing in luck only, how will?
See, in short, I would like to say, first, when we are lucky, okay, we can then hard work and we can get success. First, primary thing, okay, if we are lucky, we can hard work and then we can get success. This is the
a
thing.
wrong way. First hard work and then only we should believe in luck, okay? Without hard work, we should not.
No, madam, you are here today. You came here, and you came here. Some people have judged you. Okay, judge you. So they will understand in which standard you are. Correct. So if the person likes you, then the matter will be different. He is not taking you. Suppose somebody takes you not because of your lucky or somebody, because of some quality. How you got the quality? By your hard work. Today, your standard of English is a little bit high. That is because of your hard work, not because of luck.
See, many.
Why they are not getting?
No,
Because
many those who are
why they are not getting that?
in and around Chennai. Many knows, but outside this Chennai, many don't know about
Hello, that
this.
is
Even getting inside the thing is what luck I said.
No, what I say.
They come to know. Only when they come to know.
You came and sit down there. I didn't know anything about you. Hello, you came and sit down there. I didn't know anything about you. Hello, you came and you came and sit down there. I didn't know anything about you. Hello, madam. I came to know only about you after your talk only. I don't know before you. I have not seen you before. But my own judgment and everything came to my mind after you talked. So I had seen some difference between you and others. Understand? That is because why they couldn't get it to that level? Because you have done a lot of hard work and research and something else. That is not the reality. That's the truth. I'm talking the truth.
You are just simply arguing without any solid reason.
Hello, you have to argue logically, intelligently. No, what criticize? What? I said our standard is high. Of course. Why not? It's the truth. Because of course.
You're just telling the
Our
truth.
standard is
You-
much
you-
higher
you
than
can
you.
tell us-
Much higher than you.
You can tell us
100%.
we don't get. Because Chiranjeevi gained lot of fans first in the field of acting. After that, he went to politics just because of hard work, not
Of
to
course.
true luck. Wait.
In the cine field, he already got a name. He's the number one actor. Like he's a superstar. Okay, so by that name only he got the chance. Okay, by that name, with that name he entered inside the politics. That's it.
Even Mahesh Babu, even Mahesh Babu in Tollywood.
Just because of hard work only. After that only.
Okay, even Mahesh Babu in Tollywood, he's a very good actor and he's a very good hard worker. But still, he believes in luck. He asked his
Yeah, he's a very good actor. You
ask
told
his
no,
director
he's a
to
very good
name his
actor.
film
So he's
within.
working hard.
He will ask his
So
director to
he'll
name
believe
his
in luck,
film in
okay?
3 letters. He finds that it's luck.
Even he given a lot of flops, you know. He had luck, no? Why he gave a lot of flops?
But all the
Continuously,
3-letter
3 to
movies
4 movies are flops.
in his
He had luck,
in his-
no? Why he didn't give why he gave flops?
all the 3-letter
Everything are
movies is
flops. Just because of luck, he gave flops.
Not flops.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
very good hits in the 3-letter words, 3-letter movie name.
Pokiri.
Not only Pokiri.
In India, this Gujarat is only liquorless. Okay, many of all the other states are liquor. They're all liquor is just, you see, liquor is not banned here. In Gujarat, it's liquor. So one person called Narendra Modi, he took it as a challenge, and he has in all the fields, in industries, in you see, when when Tatas wanted to introduce Maruti at West Bengal, at that time they refused it. And Narendra Modi took the advantage of it and just he introduced that into Gujarat. Now it's being manufactured at Gujarat. Okay. So in this way, that man was just making one point and say making Gujarat as a wonderful country. There's no scarcity for electricity and water, no problem. People are getting all sorts of facilities and all. Why? Because just by his hard work, he has made a unique person. Understand? Even though now, in spite of having all problems and this one, still he is the many people recognize him. Understand? In spite of having all sorts of problems, he is just recognized by the people. He has not gone. Again, he will come up. That you will be seeing very shortly.
This year, Anna University, most of the people are applying counseling for our higher studies, no? This year, what happens, do you all are know or not? Only in sports, every year, government already gave in sports quota, some students are getting some good colleges for their higher studies. But this year, all are getting good marks. In sports quota, no, only 900 and 800, and they are all getting seats in Anna University also. So the people are, it's because of luck only, no. 1,000 seats are gone because of in sports quota. They are getting low marks, only 800. They are giving seats in Anna University. In Anna University, we are going for an Anna University.
Hello, sports
We need at least.
Sports don't think that sports is a hard work.
yeah.
Understand? Sports,
Because of their hard work, they get.
yeah, sport is a hard work.
This year
How
only.
can you say? How can you say?
He is good in sports. Only because of hard work, he is good in sports. And he will enter into college, Anna University by sports quota.
Say every year there will be giving a chance for post quota people, but only in this year they got a special opportunity. That is called luck. That is called luck.
That is politics.
That's not politics.
Yes.
That is only luck.
Yes, that's.
Yes.
That is also happening because but that is luck for the students.
In Ramachandra University, no, only in SRM Ramachandra University, people who are all having that much of money, they are only getting seats, no, because of their luck only. Okay, suppose we are not. If you are not the luckiest person, means we won't get seats from.
Repeating the same thing again and again. Why you are going to Ramachandra? Because of money. Yeah. You can go some other
People can repeat, but we can't repeat.
We are repeating. Whatever we are telling, you are repeating. Yes. By luck, in the name of luck.
Yes. In the name of money. If they have some money, they can.
Even this passing this IELTS, you have to work hard. Without hard work, definitely, to good marks and to get just don't work and all. Just depend upon luck. Can you pass? Can you just pass like that?
Sir, okay, sir. I'll tell you about myself itself.
Okay.
I work hard only, and I got my degree, project, and everything. But in college, I got seat there because of my project. But they itself told that it's your big luck. Because of that, you got opportunity in this college. Many people didn't get opportunities. Many people didn't get place only. At least you got a place because of your luck only. They told.
They'll
And
tell,
I
they'll
did
tell what
hard
not,
work
because
only. Many
to
people are
attract
doing.
you, they'll tell many things. So you can't believe only in luck. You did a good project. You are good by yourself.
No.
You are
Many
well in
people-
knowledge.
my
So only you
project
got
was
that
not that
college.
good.
Without any hard work, even you can't enter. You,
No.
okay.
I itself, agreeing that is because of luck only.
You
Because
can't tell it as a
many
luck,
people,
okay?
so many
You
people
are
try.
blindly telling it as a luck. Only because of your hard work. No, okay, if you don't do it, if
Many
you're
people
not
did
good in
hard-
knowledge, if you are
my class
not
itself,
doing
there are so many people. 32 people studied with me, but they people didn't get opportunity. I got opportunity.
But you have prepared yourself, no? You have already worked hard, no? You are just.
Everyone have a project.
No, no, but-
Everybody have a project.
Let it be, let
And
it-
everybody is like doing their PG and they're doing here, but I got the opportunity to go there.
That is
That is
different.
because of luck
That is
only.
totally different. That you got opportunity is different.
Let me tell you, in my experience, I'm the one who is a very good hard worker. I would like to work very hard, even for 10 to 15 hours a day. I study. Okay, I work hard. I study for even 10 hours a day. Okay, I'm a very good hard worker, but hard worker. I tried once. I tried for UPSC. IAS. I tried for it, but I was not lucky enough to go to coaching center. My dad didn't permit me to go to Chennai or Bangalore. Okay, it was nearly 6 to 7 years back. Okay, I studied on my own. Okay, I took some books from the library and I prepared it myself, but I couldn't complete everything whatever is required for IAS. It was incomplete. My preparation was incomplete because I can say I was unlucky. I thought I was unlucky to go to coaching centers because my dad didn't give permission. Suppose if I was given a chance, now I could have been a IAS officer or a topmost ranking. Okay, I could have been or any officer. Okay, so I always think that I was unlucky. I didn't get, because systematic learning is very important. Even though you're even though you're a hard worker, okay, I don't know how to learn what and all the area I should cover. I was not aware of it. Do you understand it? So I was not able to go to any coaching center here, whether it is here in Chennai or Bangalore. So I did everything myself. So I didn't complete everything. So I
Anyway,
can say I'm very unlucky.
Okay, you are landed up somewhere else. What do you know? You may turn out to be a very great or something after coming here, or who nobody knows about it. Then you may not have any regrets or anything. So it may be something great also. So sometimes we don't get entry into there.
So, there's a chance. Okay,
So sometimes-
because of luck. Okay.
No, once
There's a
what
chance.
happened?
But I'm a hard worker.
Once what
I'm
happened?
a hard worker.
Hello, once
Then
what
what?
happened? I wanted to go very urgently, and suddenly I missed the train. But actually, what happened? Then I thought, "Arey, I was so unlucky." Like that, I was thinking. But same train, a big accident occurred to that same train only. And lots of people died. Then I thought, because I didn't go, that was a great thing.
That is not luck, sir.
that was not luck.
Because you are luck that day you
No,
missed the train.
no, I was not worried.
That is
just-
only your luck.
No, it was not luck. I left it.
your luck,
I left
so
it.
you missed that.
I left it. Purpose. I left it. Sometimes it happens.
But indirectly it was his luck, so that he missed the train and
We have come here for a conclusion. We had a heated discussion on the topic. Success comes through hard work or luck. So hard work in the sense what? You are struggling yourself, putting all your time, investing your time and energy to achieve something. It takes a lot of time. Luck means something which you gain and achieve something immediately. So it all depends upon the brain. Some work very hard. It takes 10 hours to understand certain things. For some people it takes just half an hour to understand the entire concept. See, Uttarakhand, nearly 5,000 people have died. He may be a millionaire or billionaire. At the time of death, is his property and position and power, has it all come over there? So, a farmer in a village, he earns 100 rupees. When he goes to bed, he sleeps within seconds, within minutes. Richest person in India or world, he has a golden bed. He is unable to sleep for 5 hours or 10 hours, entire night, because of lot of problems. Who is successful? So here success is a relative term. The power and position, is it success? So when you're coming here, Real success, first you have to understand what is real success. It is something that the mind, where it has the positive and negative aspects. When you come up, you grow in this planet, a seed, it has to fall in the earth, it has to struggle and fight against the earth to sprout itself to a plant. Then it has to withstand the climate, the animals, the cows and goats. Then it grows up, gives flowers, all the insecticides, everything. It has to fight against all the odds. Then it blossoms, it gives flowers, then fruits. A man and a woman join together. Man's sperm, out of 65,000 sperms, only one sperm joins with one ovary of the mummy ovary and father ovary sperm. Then you are in the mother's womb, 10 months you struggle. Then after that you are born. Lot of diseases may attack you, but you are, it is all, you grow up. Then you become so and so, attain certain position through your education, through your skills. Grow up, get a family, get children, live in this planet, walk in this planet, do some contributions. Then you go. So here, success. First you have to understand the term success, and as it comes through their long-term effect or through certain chances. Jesus Christ at the age of 30 has come out into priesthood. He walked in the mountains of Israel and he has told all the philosophies to the people. 3 years time, still after 2000 years, still we read about Jesus Christ. 3 years, a man who was unable to do for 100 years, he was able to do it for within 3 years. Still we read his gossips, and nearly 33% of people follow his words through Bible. So was it hard work? Was there time has been invested over there? So you think about this, and coming here to the point of success is a relative term, and to attain the success, the means and methods, it all counts in different things. Some are saying about the cinema stars, some are saying about the cricket players. It all depends upon the face value. It all depends upon the moment. It all depends upon the universal connection they have. It all depends upon the negative and positive aspects they have. It all depends upon the environment, friends they brought up. So thousands of things are there to count on, not on one person. One Karnanidhi, you are telling about that success. It's not because of it all, because of his maybe 2 wives, because of 5 or 10 children, because of his friends, because of his relatives, because of his good health, because of his doctors. So thousands of people are involved in that. So not a single man is involved in this. So it is success depends upon luck or hard work is a highly relative term. And coming to the point, it is always the struggle, the fight which you give, the immune power inside your body, in your cells. Thousands of doctors and engineers, doctors are there inside your body, fighting against all type of diseases. So the fighting spirit which you have in your body, that is called luck. If your immune power and your capabilities of brain is fast and good, you achieve the success within short span of time, the success which is defined by the society. So success is a relative term. It all depends